Do it again.
Okay, put another layer.
Take the bitch up. Right.
No, just put another layer.
No, wait.
You need another layer, it's a hole in it.
Yeah.
Fucking put layers and layers and layers of shit on there.
That's why I didn't want to use a big ass bit.
Wait, no, wait.
Here, take that.
How many layers are you gonna put on there?
5?
Wait, let me get a few for my shower.
No,
and
no, we
as
can't
many
wait.
layers
Oh,
as
it's
you want.
why?
We may as well just do it now.
No, I want to
Yeah.
get my shower before you blow the fucking
It's not gonna
shower
blow.
head
Take
off.
that.
Yeah, just do bits like that and then put them over.
If you
Chuck it
blow
on
the
there.
fitting out of the wall and...
Oh fuck, dude, it's Glad wrap.
It's not fucking jelly, mate.
Then
It's not
again,
Listerine.
what the fuck?
I don't know.
Oh well, I just noticed it's still videoing. Didn't even know.
Fuckers, you better not be crossing swords.
Wait, it's
Hey, let's
still
have
fucking
sauce.
videoing.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't even notice. I thought
Yeah,
it didn't work.
Yeah. That's the last, I think that was the last about 30 meters for free. Because it was kind of split in the middle, like that was a bit that wasn't actually connected to anything else.
30 meters for free, what?
Oh, you got 300 meters, plus 30 for free for some reason.
You know, I probably do.
Have you got the preparation on that as well?
This is already videoing.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, you have to go all the way to the corner of the shower.
Yeah.
Fucking hell!
Off the top.
All people walking past will be able to hear us.
Yeah, everyone out.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, laugh.
Firing!
I gotta go fucking show you where you're standing.
Hurry up.
Long.
Fucking hurry up. Get this shit on.
Okay.
Holy fuck! Turn it on!
Holy fuck!
Fuck! Turn it off!
It feels like a boob.
It feels like a...
Oh, you
Hey,
fucking went.
turn it off!
You fucking gun.
Dude, it's like coming.
You got me in the eye.
Fucking turn it off or I'll rip your fucking dick off. Ow! Okay.